Hi, this is Chris Chinnock reporting for Display Central. I'm at the Digital Signage Expo, where we've just witnessed the keynote speech from Peter Bacco, who's the Chief Technology Officer for Corning Display Technologies, I believe.
Corning Glass Technologies.
Corning Glass Technologies.
Close enough.
Okay, excellent. So there were a lot of actually really good points that Peter made in his talk today. He showed the Corning A Day in the Glass 2 video, which was produced, I guess, about a year ago. I had actually never seen that video. I've seen the first one, of course, many times. The second one is actually even better because, as you noted in the video, it now talks more about some medical applications, some education applications. There's an outdoor application. Really, really good video. And what I particularly liked about it is not only does it show the use of glass, but it shows the vision of how glass can be interacted with and the applications. And I think that's one of the key messages that you were trying to make here is, you know, it's not just the glass, it's all the systems that go with this, the applications, the interactivity, the collaboration. That's the future.
Yes.
So
really
elaborate on that.
That was really my key point that I brought here to the Digital Signage Exposition. And this is the right audience because digital signage seems to be the area where they're really taking some big risks in terms of new display technologies, new levels of interactivity, and new value propositions. And so I showed the Day Made of Glass is just a way to articulate a future where we are just surrounded and immersed in these displays that are highly interactive, that are actually bringing useful information to people in their everyday lives, and actually are bringing people together. And this is kind of like a theme I just keep hammering again and again and again. The whole point of this technology is not necessarily just to make a better display or to amuse, but really to help us collaborate better and connect better. In Day Made of Glass, a lot of the use of these advanced displays is really in various people together using it to interact with information.
Yeah. There were some really good scenes. I really liked the medical scene. Where if you have to go take a look at the video, by the way, if you haven't seen it.
Day Made of Glass 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And in the medical sequence, the doctor walks into this medical bay, basically. It's a big blank white wall, and he illuminates, the wall lights up, and there are all these medical diagnostics of CAT scans and whatnot. And on the other side of this transparent wall is another doctor that they're interacting with and collaborating. Really cool vision.
Yeah, presumably in China. And so actually, you know, it's kind of remote medicine in that way. And this is one of the criticisms of the Day Made of Glass 1. Everybody enjoyed it, but they pointed out that, geez, it appeared to be too heavily weighted towards consumerism and also entertainment.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wanted to show something a little bit more useful. So how could these very realistic, immersive displays be used to actually where it benefits people's lives? And I hope we could do that. Now the problem is that you know, we're working with a number of our customers in the conventional consumer electronics industry to deliver some of these effects, but there really isn't what I would call sufficient momentum to create these really new applications. And this was another point that I made, is that we're kind of hidebound a little bit with the conventional applications of portable personal information devices like cell phones and slate computers and TVs. And so there has to be some risk-taking to get us out of that, the creation of new applications. And this is going to be not just the glass, it's not just going to be the consumer electronics device manufacturers, but it's really going to be much more of an ecosystem that has to emerge of both applications and hardware as well as the components.
I think one of the key reasons that you're at the Digital Signage Expo specifically is because the consumer electronics industry is a little bit challenged financially and economically right now to make these innovations, but the signage market is potentially more motivated.
Yeah, I mean, I came to this conference last year, and I was really surprised and gratified to see the size and the energy here, and also the fact that Corning seemed to have a recognizable brand. And I'm coming back this year, and frankly, I'm shocked at the amount of growth. And so I wanted to congratulate DSC on its 10th anniversary, and it's a tremendous amount of progress. And as I made the point in my talk, digital signage, public displays is going to be the vanguard of some of our most exciting new technologies and capabilities in this display-centric industry.
Great. Well, thank you, Peter.
Okay, Chris.
Chris Chinnock reporting for Display Central.